Using DALI Gateway, we can control the lights in groups, set scenes and recall scenes. All off. All on. Scene 1. Scene 2. Control a single light. Off. On. Brightness. Timer. Set a timer to turn off the light. Biorhythm. You can customize the lighting cycle. For example, turn off the lights when you go to sleep and turn them on at dawn. Add family members. Once in, they'll be able to control the light just like you. Me. Home management. Choose your home. Add member. You can add members in any way. Here, we have copied the invitation code. Send it to other people. Copy invitation code. Me. Home management. Join a home. Pasting the invitation code. Done. We can find lights here.